After the solid surface wall panels are installed, you want to make sure that there's about a 5/8 inch gap between the vertical edges in each panel at the inside corners. Dry fit each piece to check for proper sizing. Trim any pieces that need to be better fit. Use a circular saw with a masonry blade or a belt sander with 80 grit sandpaper to trim and scribe edges. Before you apply the pieces, make sure you clean them all with denatured alcohol. This is important in creating a good contact between the two surfaces. Apply a generous bead of adhesive to the back of the trim piece. Press the trim piece firmly into place, making sure to press in all areas. Sealant should squeeze out a little bit on the sides to make sure good contact has been made and enough sealant's been used. Last but not least, caulk and seal the edges. Be sure to click the subscribe button to learn more about kitchen and bathroom renovations.